Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 4K dash cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Vantrue N4 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Assembly mode, portable recorder. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Product number 2, DDPAI Dash Cam Z50. Specifications. Brand name, Pay. Aperture, f1.75. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3". Language, English, Polish, Russian. Assembly mode, portable recorder. Chipset manufacturer, Sigma Star. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.565 kilograms. Product number 1, Dashcam M550 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Dashcam. Aperture, 1.8. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" -5. GPS logger, internal. Assembly mode, portable recorder. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, microSD, TF. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.35 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.